Now we are going to see about the mathematical modeling of a control system. So a control system is nothing but combination of different systems to perform a specific function or output, right? So now this control system is specified by using a mathematical equations. So that is said to be mathematical modeling of control systems. So in order to derive the mathematical model, so first we should know about the transfer function. So what is transfer function? So the transfer function is nothing but the ratio of Laplace transform of output by the Laplace transform of input, so with zero initial conditions. So this is important, with zero initial conditions. So first of all, in order to obtain the mathematical equations, so Laplace transform that is the formation of Laplace transform is very much important. So transfer function is nothing but Laplace transform of output to the Laplace transform of input. So in the mechanical system, okay, mechanical system is nothing but example, that is the control system which we choose as that is a mechanical system. So what is this mechanical system? Comprises of two types. One is mechanical rotational system and another one is mechanical translational system. So what is this translational system? So the translation system is nothing but, so the movement of the system is in translational movement or translational position. Rotational means it will rotate at 360 degree. So that is said to be mechanical rotational system. So here we are going to obtain the mathematical modeling of both systems, translational as well as rotational systems. So mechanical translational system. So translation system is comprises of, so basically three elements. What are the three elements means? The mass, dashpot as well as spring. So what is mass? The weight of the element is said to be the mass, and dashpot, so and the spring. So here what is the mass? The weight of the mechanical system is represented by the element called mass, and it is situated or concentrated at the center of the body, and the friction existing in rotational mechanical system can be represented as dashpot. So next one is the spring. Spring is the elastic deformation of the body. So next one is the so what Newton's second law, that is for framing the mathematical modeling or mathematical equations. So this Newton's second law is going to be used here. So these are the symbols used in the mechanical translational system. So here what is important here is displacement. Displacement is nothing but x is nothing but displacement. Velocity is equal to dx by dt, and acceleration. These formulas you all know in the basic classes. So next we are going to frame the force balance equations of the above said basic elements. First one is mass. So this is the pictorial representation of ideal mass element, and this is F is the applied force, and whatever force applied, the mass itself, that is the original body itself having a opposing force, that is represented as Fm, and Fm is proportional to d square x by dt square, and eliminating the proportionality constant, so the Fm is equal to m into d square x by dt square. So this equation Fm is equal to m into d square x by dt square is said to be the force balance equation for this particular mass element. So next element is the dashpot. So here while considering or while writing the equation for dashpot, so we are going to consider two steps. First step is that is fixed at one end. So second step is, and okay, fixed at one end, F is the applied force, and the equation framed is Fb is equal to b into dx by dt. So this is the force balance equation for a dashpot fixed at one end. And what is the equation of the second condition? That is the dashpot kept free at both the ends. This is the equation. Fb is equal to b into d of x1 minus x2. So this the displacement, difference in displacement will appear here. So this is also framed by using Newton's second law only. And the third one is, so this is a Laplace transform. So this is one of the example. So here if you see the example means it consists of two masses, 3 dash part B1 and B2. So for this particular system we are going to obtain the mathematical equation, okay, or finding the transfer function. So first we consider the mass element M1. So from this mass element M1 we return the equations for the forces. How many forces acting upon this means, so one from spring, one from dashpot B1 and one from this B and another one from K and its own mass M1. So totally 5 forces acting upon the mass 1. And by using this basic equations we have written Fm1, this one and Fk1. So 5 equations we have written. So then by applying Newton's second law, so we have concluded that and finding the writing the equation at the equation format and equating to 0. Then applying the Laplace transform. So thereby we are obtaining the output by input. So Laplace transform is nothing but output by input. So framing the equation as output by input. So this is as in the case of the second mass M2. Similarly 4 masses are acting in the one direction and output mass, this is the one of the force acting away from the input. So it will comes minus, okay. So it is comes as minus or written in the opposite side. So at last solving the two equations, so we can write the Laplace transform. Okay, so this is the Laplace transform for this particular example. Thank you.